Hey everyone, I'm Brittnee Blair. Today we've got some fresh ingredients and great company as I'm joined by one of Canada's favorite chefs, Matt Dean Pettit.
Hey Britt, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
What is happening? Today we're cooking our way through Mazatlán, a place of beauty and truly a sea of stories.
So this first taco is a local legend.
Absolutely, taco gobernador. So originally created for a governor that was visiting the area. And he wanted something that was truly delicious, cheesy, spicy, unbelievable.
There's something about cheese and shrimp that just works.
I agree. This is what I love about Mazatlán. Every taco tells a story. And thanks to Sunwing Vacations, it's never been that easy to get there and taste it for yourself.
I mean, that's the dream, right? Some tacos, a little sunshine, and zero stress.
That's exactly it. You just show up and it's all ready for you. Your flights, your hotel, your transfers, all in one package. You can literally go from the runway to the beach and right into your first bite of Mazatlán. Next up, the market taco. You'll find versions of this all over Mazatlán. Tender pork, pineapple salsa, the crunch. Every stand has its own secret recipe that's been passed down through family. It's all about fresh ingredients, bright flavors. Keep it simple. You don't need much when you have this kind of inspiration.
All right, thanks so much for these, Matt.
Pleasure.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Mix with Flavour Network. Presented in part by Sunwing Vacations. Save more, do more.